this one, Juhi will go first.
Oh my God.
And this is 2 truths and a lie. So the idea is you give us 3 statements from your entire journey so far. It can be a challenge. It can be challenges or accomplishments. 2 of them need to be true and 1 is a false. We're going to try and guess which one's the lie.
I love watching horror movies. I hate driving. And I am a skincare junkie.
I'm gonna say the lie is that you love horror movies.
Okay.
I'm going to say that the lie is that you hate driving.
I love driving.
Yeah.
She's an unbelievable driver.
Oh my god.
I really should start measuring my success rate because I don't go off of the person or the statements.
It's the expression?
It's entirely based on, like, I look them dead straight in the eye.
Okay, fine, good.
And wait to see which statement they said. So that second statement was the only one where you didn't look at us and say it. So I said, okay, fine.
Okay, I'm gonna like say everything now that you told me
I should have
this.
waited to say that.
Okay, wait.
I won't look at you when you say this.
So then, now you're not playing your game.
No, now I'm actually playing the game instead of like just trying to...
Okay, go for it.
Okay, 2 truths and a lie. You're not gonna look at me, right? Okay. I was in a rock band. I've hung out with Rajinikanth. And I've played a small role in a very big movie.
Like the second and third statement could go.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking as
So
well.
the first one's... I'm going to go with
The
first one's the
rock
lie.
band. Yeah, I was thinking literally the same thought process. But clearly that never works for me. So
that's fine.
I'll go... Okay, yeah, for the sake of difference, I'll go for the last one to be a lie.
That is a lie.
Yes! So I know, like my instinct is wrong.
I was in 2 rock bands, one in school and one in college, and we recorded also.
Wow.
We played shows and stuff. It was pretty cool. And then I did hang out with Rajinikanth once. It was pretty cool.
What does hangout mean?
Like, I mean, hang out doesn't. I went and met him like, oh my god.
I mean, he showed him his work and all.
Oh,
Showed him a
That's great.
student film that I'd made. And we hung out like me and a couple of friends. We were chilling, like talking to him and stuff for like half an hour.
That counts as hanging out.
Yeah, that
It was pretty
cool.
cool.
Thank you for this video handling out.